Stop searching and start celebrating. Because we've got everything you need to get the results you want today. See, the problem with other tools and services is that they don't have what you need, cost too much, or just take too long. But don't worry. That's why we created The Answer. It's an affordable solution that takes the pain out of getting things done. So how does it work? Well, getting started is really easy. Then you'll be carefully guided through each step of the process. And before you know it, you're finished. Because we've got tools for just about everything you need, whether your needs are small, standard, or happen to be challenging. But don't just take our word for it. We've helped so many others already, and we're sure that we can help you too. So say goodbye to the hassle and hello to peace of mind. Contact us today and let us solve your problems.